Nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. In this portion of the video, I'm going to break down where we went, where we stayed, and what we saw, and what I wish we saw while we were here at Anza Borrego. Anza Borrego is about 3 hours from LA and about 2 hours from San Diego. As you saw, it's this beautiful desert landscape with a lot of primitive camping, a lot of slot canyons, and of course wildflowers during the early March to April season. Me and my friend Summer, we went totally on a whim and we ended up staying at Fish Creek Canyon the first night, and that's a dispersed camping area. So there's no amenities, it's just a big open lot. You just park your car there and you can stay overnight. So that's really cool because it doesn't cost anything. It's totally free. It's BLM land and it is on some dirt roads, but we were able to handle it no problem in the Honda Element, of course. Luckily at Anza Borrego, there's a ton of dispersed camping. So I'm gonna list off some of the places that you can check out here. We have Mountain Palm Springs, Arroyo Salado, and Sheep Canyon are some of the places which you can Google and you're able to park there without paying any fee. On the second night, we stayed at a more established campsite and we stayed at the Borrego Palm Canyon just outside of Borrego Springs with super easy access to the visitor center and to town. And the nice thing about this campsite is that there's showers, there's water, there's fire pits. So all you need to do is just show up. It was $35 for the night and we bought some firewood there, which was $8 a bundle. So that's what you get at the more structured campsites, is you get all those amenities. There's a couple other established campsites which you can stay at, like the Vern Whitaker Horse Camp, which is $35 a night. And then there's also the Tamarisk Grove Campground, which is $35 a night. So those are some of the options, and I'll leave the links down below in the description. Those campsites you can book on the California State website, which I'll also leave down below for you all. If you're coming for the wildflowers, there's two main areas where you can see the wildflowers. When we were driving in, we saw a bunch just kind of on the side of the highway, but the main concentration of them was in the Henderson Canyon, and that was just so beautiful to see. It's not quite a super bloom. I think the bloom is just starting and it's gonna last for a few weeks. So if you're watching this video now, March 2024, it's best to head out there within the next few weeks so you can see the most. The second concentration of the wildflowers is in the Coyote Canyon, and that is on kind of like a dirt road. Again, nothing too crazy. You can do it in pretty much any car unless your car is like lowered. Yeah, we had no problem in the Honda Element. We were able to go through the Coyote Canyon and there's a bunch of pull-offs. So you can just pull off, stop, have lunch, look at flowers. And it's really cool because in most of the park, dogs are allowed, just not on the trails. So that's a really cool thing. If you have a dog, you can bring your dog. It was a super impromptu trip. So we didn't carve out enough time to see the dry lake bed, which would have been really cool to see. So I'll leave GPS coordinates for the dry lake bed. There's also Fonts Point, which is this really cool lookout. Again, we didn't quite plan our trip. It was super spontaneous, but the next time I go, I'm definitely gonna check out those two areas. So if you wanna check those out, I'll leave them down below. If you're coming from Orange County or San Diego from the north, you'll be entering the park passing through Julian. And if you do pass through Julian, make sure to stop by and get some apple pie because it was absolutely delicious. I recommend getting the cinnamon ice cream because it was so good. So Julian is known for their wineries and it looks like a beautiful place just to hang out. So that's another really cool stop that you can make on the way to your trip to Anza Borrego. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed this breakdown as well. If you want me to do more breakdowns at the end of like these adventure videos, please let me know. Or if I should just separate them and make it one video for the adventure and then one video to break down, I can do that as well. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.